What's up, guys? It's me again, and I've got to remain like really quiet. I'm in the shed right now. I've got Tyler over and I've got an idea because if you guys weren't aware, which you should be by now, and I've got to keep it down because I've got an idea involving Tyler. I don't need him knowing what it is, otherwise he's gonna like ruin the plan. But there's a tree up there somewhere. Anyway, so I'm gonna put my hand down here, which is not safe because there's a lot of spiders in here. Anyway, so we're going on a holiday to see Zeb in Queensland in a couple of weeks, and he bought the tickets. Now, his dad bought them, but Tyler's gonna pay him back. As it happens, though, that's $700 for like one ticket, so two of them is $1,400. He's gotta pay his dad back in full, like preferably in full, as quickly as he can. So he wanted $700 from me, almost in full. So, or 750. No, it was 700. I paid for 50 in his fish and chips the other night, and now I'm gonna give the rest to him. Now, but I'm gonna do it in a very odd way because I'm gonna fix that real quick because that's not supposed to be popping out. Yeah, I have to do it in the shed because Tyler's inside and I don't need him hearing that I am going to, as weird as this sounds, make it rain on him. Because I've got about $650 worth of $20 notes and $10 notes in my pocket. That's actually in my wallet. I'll have a quick look, and I don't want everyone thinking, oh, look at Mr. Rich Bitch showing off. No, it's just something that needed to happen. Because I didn't know how badly I wanted this until literally last night. So, yeah, I've got to figure out a way. I've got to figure out a way to do this. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll pick it up in a second once I've figured it out and it's implemented in play. So yeah, hold tight and wish me luck. Please wish me luck, because I've only got one crack at this. Otherwise the whole thing's ruined. So yeah, wish me luck. I saw this video the other day on Family Guy. It made me laugh. Hey guys, what is going on? I made it rain on you.
No!
Here's your money.
You were taking the piss! I knew that was a fucking decoy for something. It went through the goalie's legs. Watch.
Tyler, you're rich.
Jeez.
You're rolling your money.
There you go.
Well, not really, because as soon as I get this, I have to go give it away.
And George, it all just dropped behind the chairs.
Now you made me sadder, because I have to go give all this away.
Oh.
No, you can actually tell your dad that you didn't get it.
But then he'll come and beat up on George.
Yeah, I was going to say, I've got some footage.
He'll send me to do it.
Hey, I haven't seen
what?
the new $10 notes.
Yeah?
No?
I've seen them work a few times. I don't know how I feel about them.
I like them.
Yeah.
They look snazzy.
Get off me, you black...
Gee, it's a lot of,
How the hell did you not get mugged?
Because nobody wants to come at me.
Some dropped behind the chair.
I know, we'll have to get Tyler to count it.
I'm going to count once I get big part.
I actually, it's a lot of clear.
Yeah, it's like the front. Don't hit me with my own money.
Come on, Dad.
Is that not the same as the what we got the other?
The other money's
No,
just this.
But I'm pretty sure that was on the $5 note. Oh, no.
Oh, it could have been.
There's so many noise.
And who is this? Banjo Patterson.
I have absolutely no idea.
Yeah, Tyler doesn't know his Australian
Mary
history.
Gilmore.
Yep, Banjo Patterson. Since it said Banjo Patterson under it.
So if I put that there, that window should show me Ken, and that window should show me her face.
That's game, I think.
Did you see someone did the $5 note and you fold it and you get
A whale?
Yeah.
penis and two balls?
Oh. No.
I've got that on my leg.
You get a whale.
Yeah, you get a
Get
whale.
what?
You get a whale.
By the Queen's face?
Yeah.
You get a whale with a penis in its mouth.
Yeah, but the penis is next to the Queen's face.
It's in the...
Are you calling the Queen a whale?
No, I'm
I
saying.
think we're talking about two different images.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 670.
670, that's what I counted. Close enough?
Well, I remember that 50 that I bought you.
How much did you owe?
It was like 700, wasn't it?
It was like 730.
Well, 730.
60 short.
But I paid 50 for his tea the other night.
Yeah, so take 50 off that. 780.
We've got another 10, George.
780. She's like your maths.
I'm sticking with that. 780, please. Where's my sunnies go?
Where'd you leave them?
Little table.
70. George, you sure you haven't got
That'll
any
be the one
more
Jordan's
in your
wearing.
pocket? 1.
It's only $10 short.
Considering I
You
bought...
can buy Tyler a meal when you're out.
Oh well.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe I've got 10. Ooh, hang on a second. I've got like 20 on my bed somewhere from when I cleaned my room. Question is, where the fuck did I put my money? It's supposed to be like over here or some shit, but I probably lost it. It's like down here. Who keeps a 20 at the ready? I do. This is like birthday money. Fuck it, Tyler can have it. I found 20! I found 20! In your face, bitch!
So that's
Oh, do
right. Sort of. Oh,
It's what he gets.
Oh.
It's what he gets.
hey, Tyler, I know that pain. I've done
What
that.
did you do? Hit his
so-
elbow or
No,
what?
hit that. You hit right on that or your thigh. Yeah, silly, aren't they?
I honestly hope you drop and break that.
I'll drop and break you.
Eating a barbecue chicken.
Tyler says I'm down 10. I think he's full of shit. But I know I've got another 20 in my room somewhere. I don't understand, like fucking hell. I gave him all the money he's owed. And he's like, oh, well, since you're down like, well, I mean, you know, since I was down 20, whatever. Ooh, PlayStation controller. Oh, this is bullshit, man. I think he's just making crap up, but I think he could be right. This will not sit well. If I was a $20 note, where would I be?
Oh,
Tyler says I'm down 10. I think he's full of shit.
Huh? It was 670, yeah? It was 670. You added 20, that's 690. But I said it was only $10, so that's fine.
But I don't think that's how it works in the real world.
but then wasn't it 740 all up? No?
No, it was 7 all up. 730 minus 50. So, that adds up.
Yeah.
So you're trying to scrounge more money out of me?
That adds up to 680.
Hey, to be fair, the day I found out it was 730, I told you it was 750.
You told him it was more.
What can I say? I'm an opportunist.
Exactly. It's called interest.
Exactly. Oh, come on. It's not like it's the first time I've done that. It's not like I do it to just you.
I hope you two enjoy your holiday and not pick over money.
If anyone's going to pick over my thing.
But I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, because that was fun. Not giving away 700 and however many dollars, but the rest of it was fun. So, yeah. Ooh, it's echoey in here now, isn't it? Look over there. Anyway. Lighting's better. Okay. Car's starting up now, brother's leaving, so I should probably go say bye to brother and nephew. So, until next time, you guys know what to do. So, do it well. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.